Now, here we go. Now we're looking at dividing rational numbers, okay? And first I'm going to focus on the rules, and then on the right side in blue, we're going to look at a problem. So ignore the blue side right now. Join me over here to the left in orange. The rules for multiplying integers are the same for the rule as dividing integers. So here we have a negative times a negative, which is a positive. Negative times a positive, which is a negative. A positive times a negative is a negative, and a positive times a positive is a positive. Here's an example. Negative 2 times positive 3 equals negative 6. All right, so let's go to the blue section, dividing and simplifying. Here we have, now it's going to get a little more complicated. We have negative 10/9 divided by a positive 5/3. These are not integers, they're fractions, but the rules still apply for dividing integers. Notice I factor that -1 out in my first step. And then I write 10/9 times 3/5. Because remember, when you are dividing fractions, you keep the first fraction and change the division to multiplication, and then you flip the second fraction. So instead of writing 5/3, I write 3/5. Okay? Now, here we go with the cross canceling. I notice that 3 can go into 9, so I cross out the 9 and write 3. It goes into 9 3 times. And then 3 goes in 3 one time. Cross that 3 out, write a 1. 5 goes into 10. Got to be careful. 2 times. Cross that 10 out, write a 2. 5 goes into itself 1 time. Cross the 5 out, write a 1. Okay? You don't have to do this, but it helps. It just saves time, makes your work a little cleaner. Next step, bring down that -1 we factored out. And then remember, we got 2 times 1, that's where we get the 2 in the numerator. And then 3 times 1 in the denominator, and that's where we get the 3. Right? So notice we got 2/3, we bring that down, times 1/1. That's what we got. Next step, bring down the -1. 2 times 1 is 2. Over 3 times 1 is 3. Now, negative times a positive is a negative. -1 times positive 2/3 is -2/3. And there we are. Very good.